Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to number 3 minus cosine x. Because we have cosine x, so I will put this one go to the left, u will go to the right, and we have like this. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have negative sine x. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. Now we need to simplify negative and negative, and we put like this. So this one we change for u, cosine x we change for this one, sine x dx we change for du. Next, this one multiply by number 3 and u. Now we have the formula in here. So we put number 8 go in here. So 8 plus 1 we have number 9. The next one that is about number 10. So about u, that is about 3 minus cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.